Hi there, I'm Chris Barton. I'm an author of books for kids, and a big part of my job is visiting schools and talking to students. And here's Ernie. A big part of his job is greeting me when I get home. Goodness. Are you nervous? But what do you think? Is that a pretty good likeness of you? I know, though that's artistic license. Don't you care at all? There are two questions that I'm asked a lot. How do you make your books? Are you ever going to write a book about your dog? They're going to know so much about how these books are made. Are you bothered by the cats that appear on there? Would you like to be excused? Ernie! I can answer both of those at the same time. Ready? Here goes. How to Make a Book About My Dog. Written by me, Chris Barton. Illustrated by Sarah Horn.